Hello students, welcome back to online class from LPM Public School in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I am Zara Mirza. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies. I hope you all good and healthy at your home. Students, I have already explained about some festivals in my previous video. So students, you know very well why do we celebrate festivals? Because festivals are a special day. Festivals are a special day and when people get together and celebrate something. And we eat special dishes and usually wear new clothes during festivals. Festivals bring happiness also. Okay, so students, everyone, take out your SST book and open chapter number 7, and the topic is a time to celebrate. Students, today we are going to discuss about national festivals in this video. Okay, so students, you can see Darji celebrates the birthday of Buddha on Buddha Purnima. Buddha Purnima is a festival that is celebrated in our India. So students, Paras is a character that is celebrates the birthday of Mahavira on Mahavir Jayanti. Jahangir celebrates Nowruz, the Parsi New Year, with his family. Now, let me know about national festivals. Okay? Students, I give you instructions about festivals. Okay, sometimes when we celebrate a festival, we make a lot of noise. We burst crackers and play loud music. So students, we should not do this activity because this can be disturbing for people around, especially if they are old or unwell. We should celebrate in such way that we do not trouble others. Okay, we should also avoid gathering. Okay, so students, everyone, come to the next page and let me know about national festivals. Students, national festivals there are some days that the entire country celebrates together. These days are known as national days. Students, there are some days that the entire country celebrates together. These days are known as national days. First is Republic Day, second is Independence Day, and third is Gandhi Jayanti. So students, how do you celebrate and when we celebrate Republic Day? Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. It is celebrated on 26th January. It celebrates India's freedom from British rule, because long time ago we are servant of British rule. Okay, British people. Okay, so students, now we are freedom from British rule. Okay, so it is celebrated on 26th January. It is celebrates India's freedom from British rule. Okay, on this day we hoist the national flag and sing the national anthem on Republic Day. To celebrate Republic Day, a huge parade is held in New Delhi. Especially a huge parade is held in New Delhi for Republic Day. Okay, now second is Independence Day. It is celebrated on 15th August. It celebrates India's freedom from British rule. It is also celebrates India's freedom from British rule. On this day we hoist the national anthem on Independence Day. Okay, and a huge parade is also held in New Delhi on this day. So students, next is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti, it is celebrated on 2nd October. It is also national festival. Mahatma Gandhi helped us win freedom. Mahatma Gandhi helped us win freedom. Okay, we celebrate his birthday on Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhiji is also called the father of our nation. Gandhiji is also called the father of our nation. At school we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, students, understood? I hope you all understood about national festivals. Okay, so students, we celebrate the birthdays of some other famous personalities that is belong from India. Okay, that is Indians famous personalities. Okay, so students, first is Teachers Day. When we celebrate Teachers Day, and why do we celebrate Teachers Day? Okay, you can see we celebrate the birthday of some other famous Indians too. On 5th September we celebrate the Teachers Day. On 5th September we celebrate the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan as Teachers Day. Dr. Radhakrishnan was the second president of India and a great teacher. Okay, so we celebrate Teachers Day. Remember Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Okay, now next is Children's Day. Come to the next page. Students, why do we celebrate Children's Day and when celebrate Children's Day? So students, our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday was on 14 November. Students, we celebrate the Children's Day on 14 November. we celebrate this day as Children's Day. Okay, he loved children and children loved him too. And we also call lovely Chacha Nehru. Okay, he is our first prime minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He is first prime minister of our India. Okay, so students, children loved him very much, and also he loved to children very much. Okay, so students, we celebrate the Children's Day. Remember Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, now, so students, everyone learn the festival's name. How many different types of festivals celebrate in our India, and how many national festivals celebrate in our India. So everyone learn national festivals and also culture festivals. Okay, cultural festivals. Cultural festival like that Diwali, Eid, Guru Parv, Nowruz, and Christmas, etc. Okay, and you know very well what are national festivals. So students, like that Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, and also famous personalities that is celebrated on birthday. Okay, Teachers Day, Children's Day. Okay, we celebrate at school all these festivals. Okay, so students, that's it. Everyone read this chapter carefully and with correct pronunciation and learn the festival's name. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.